Hi guys, so good morning. So once again, welcome to our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide. So today guys, before we start with our tutorial na how to earn without employment, actually this is the part 3 of our video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that ma-notify kayo sa next video upload natin. Okay? So today guys, we will feature two person na nag-inspire sa atin na actually na-feature ko na sila before. But today guys, we will check their channel kung ano yung status ng channel nila. Today guys, we will focus on YouTube. Pwede bang mag-earn ng pera sa YouTube? Titingnan natin. So today guys, I will let you see a website. Ito yung tatawag nilang Social Blade. This is where you can see the status of the other YouTubers, yung account nila. Okay, teka, pagkat nagsalita yan. So, we will check guys kung ano yung income nila. Okay? Teka. Ito, si Tristan, that's number 1. Yung the other one is si Edel. Ito. So, sila guys, dalawang person na nag-inspire sa atin. Actually, si Edel talaga yung number 1 na nag-inspire sa atin na in-continue yung channel natin. Okay. So, while it's loading, okay. So, ito yung channel nila. So, si Edel Rosario guys, nag 1 year pa lang siya sa YouTube channel niya last April 17 this year. So, kaka-start lang niya last year. But as you can see guys, meron na siyang 45,000 plus subscribers. At videos marami na rin. Yung income niya guys, tingnan nyo. 563, minimum niya to 9,000. Estimated lang yan guys, kasi siya lang yung nakakaalam kung ilan talaga yung withdraw niya every month. So, i-check lang natin guys, annual earning niya, estimated, sabi dito is 563 times 50. So, that's 28,000 a year divided by 12 months. So, yung minimum income niya guys, every month is 2,000 plus. Wala siyang ginawa dun. Actually, wala siyang ginawa kundi mag-upload lang ng video niya. Kasi yung sabi niya sa one of the videos niya, hindi niya hilig mag-upload ng videos ng YouTube. Hindi siya YouTuber talaga, hindi siya vlogger. Kaso he developed himself na found niya yung purpose niya na mag-help ng ibang tao. So by just uploading tutorials ng Photoshop niya, sa Fiverr account niya, actually nag-start siya 2012. Last video upload niya na check ko, ang income niya is 5 million since 2012. So, ang last withdrawal niya, I think, nasa 52,000. So, a month lang yan guys na income. So, grabe. So, dito pa lang guys, makikita nyo na pwede talaga magkapera sa YouTube. No? Ang isang i-feature ko sa inyo guys, kasama ko sa free app. Last upload niya, I think I saw na yung rate niya is nasa $18 per hour sa isang client niya. Ma-imagine guys, nag-start na siya 2017. Pero yung income niya guys, siya lang nakakaalam kung ilang in-withdraw niya every month. But let's just say $2,000 lang every year. Yun yung estimated rate niya. So i-times lang natin ito sa 50. Yan yung yearly income niya guys. Divide natin sa 12. Yan yung monthly income niya guys, 8,000. So these people guys, these two personality na na-feature natin, yung lang nila, yung goal na lang talaga nila is to help others on how to start their career online. Especially if mayroon kang BPO experience or call center experience na gusto mo mag-switch sa online, pwede talaga guys. You can earn as much as 30,000 to 60,000 every month. Sa call center kasi, more or less mga 20,000 a month lang. If Bacolod, Manila, 30,000 plus. But you still have to commute. Dito guys, all you need to do is to have a laptop. Then you can start working na. Okay? So, sila guys ang nag-inspire sa atin na mag-upload ng videos. So, check natin yung channel naman natin. Kasi we are on YouTube. Let's check kung ano yung status ng channel natin. So, ako guys, nag-start ako 2016. Matagal na, 3 years na. Pero, dormant siya. Kasi nga, hindi ako talaga nag-focus sa channel ko. Pero, from dormant 80 subscribers, after a few days lang guys, nag-102 siya. So, not bad na siya, since we are just starting. If you have any suggestions guys, you can comment below or message us on Facebook. So guys, na-monetize ko na siya before pag-start ko. So as you can see, meron akong $5 to $84. Pero hindi pa ako naka-withdraw guys kasi nga hindi ako nag-focus. So even though may earnings na ako before sa AdSense, actually verified YouTube partner na ako. Pero hindi pa ako maka-monetize ngayon kasi nga I need to have at least 10,000 subscribers. Very impossible guys na ma-reach natin yan. But sabi nga ni Edel, be consistent lang in uploading videos, sabi ni Tristan, as you grow your channel, talagang tataas yan basta maging consistent ka lang. So yun guys, ngayon may mga bagong rules, pinabago na ng rules ni YouTube. So we hope that you can support us through subscribing and following us on different channels. Ipopost ko yan na yung link mamaya. Okay? So, that's it guys for today. And the highlight of our tutorial today, how to create a YouTube account. So, easy lang yan guys. Ang gagawin lang natin is, punta tayo sa YouTube, create account. Ang lang guys, ang very important lang guys na requirement, na requirement is a Gmail account. So you need to first create a Gmail account. Tapos punta ka sa Google. Teka. Ito to create a YouTube channel. Teka. Bilis naman. Create a new channel, yan. So, punta ka lang dyan guys. Very easy lang guys. Pag mag-login ka lang sa Gmail mo, then click sign up for a YouTube channel. Dito guys. Yan. May mga requirements yan. Again guys, if you really want to have more followers also, you need to upload high definition videos then. So, you need to have at least 5 Mbps na speed ng internet or 10 Mbps. Kasi it will matter talaga yung quality. Okay? Also guys, there are tons of tutorials online on how to download something like this. So, yung mga video capturing devices, mga apps yan. So guys, ayaw natin tumaas ng 10 minutes yung videos natin, yung video natin today. So again guys, I highly encourage you to visit James Tristan Ruiz, yung name ng channel niya, at yung si Edel. I-visit niyo guys yung channel niya kasi it will really help us on how to earn, and also let's help the YouTubers guys kasi yung mga ibang YouTubers, like for example yung number 1 sa worldwide, grabe talaga guys, na-amaze talaga ako. At so, si T-Series check lang natin before we close the video. Check lang natin. Yan guys, so 2006 siya nag-start. Pero yung income niya guys, so every year, $9 million. So that's like, guys, times natin sa 50. Yan na guys yung yearly niya. Divide natin sa 12. Yung income niya guys, 37 million a month. So kung may 37 million a month ka guys, mag-work ka pa ba? Diba? Travel ka na lang. So yan guys, you can check also here yung mga top list, kung sino na nag-top sa Philippines. Check natin na sa Philippines kung sino nag-top. Really quick. Philippines to. Ito. So, check natin guys kung sino nag-stop sa Philippines. Ayan, mga network channels, di ba? Pero ito may pumasok isa, si Paulo. Yan. At ito guys, si Ivana. Number 17 na siya, oh. Pero I think ano siya ng baguhan din siya. So yan guys ha, yan na si Tristan, yan si Paulo, ito si Paulo. So mukhang ano lang, magkapareho lang sila ni ano ni Tristan 2000. Ito si Ivana guys, oh. 139,000, grabe. 139,000 a year. 1,000 times natin sa 50 monthly divided by 12. 579,000 a month ang income niya guys. So hindi niya na kailangan mag-artista. So may mga badge na siya, oh. Yeah. So sige guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide, and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa next video. Hindi ako nag-add ng ng camera dito ngayon kasi I want you to focus on my screen. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Be safe always and wash your hands. Bye-bye.